You know how every bank promises free services, but then you get hit with a surprise fee for something you never even knew was a thing? It's like a magic trick, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, they pull money out of your wallet. So when Relay Bank says their pricing is really free, you've got to wonder, is it? Let's break it down. Relay has two plans. The first is a completely free checking account with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. It's exactly what it sounds like, and for many small businesses, it's all you'll ever need. You can send and receive payments and manage your cash flow, all without paying a dime. But here's where it gets interesting. They also have a Pro plan. This plan costs $30 a month, and it includes some powerful tools. With the Pro plan, you get everything from the free account, plus a few major upgrades. You can automatically sync with your accounting software, like QuickBooks or Xero, and you can also send wire transfers. The Pro plan also gives you the ability to manage your finances with an unlimited number of users. This is a game changer if you have a team that needs to access your business's finances. So, is Relay Bank's pricing really free? For a lot of businesses, yes, it absolutely is. If you're a solopreneur or a small business just starting out, the free account is a fantastic option with no hidden costs. It's a genuine, no-strings-attached free checking account. However, if your business is growing and you need more advanced tools like wire transfers or a way to manage multiple users, then the Pro plan is what you'll need. At $30 a month, it's a very reasonable price for the features you get, and you know exactly what you're paying for. It's refreshing to see a bank that's so transparent with its pricing. They're not trying to trick you with a bunch of hidden fees. They offer a great free service for those who need it, and a powerful paid service for those who need more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.